Now let's look at the number 4. The reading measure of angle cannot be negative. True or false? False, right? We have seen a lot of examples of the negative reading measure. Negative pi, negative 2 pi. Number 5. An angle of 38 pi over 4 radians is a quadrantal angle. True or false? True or false? True or false? Not yes. True or false? You see, what is a quadrant angle? $90, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, right? So anyway, it's the multiple of 90 degrees, the integral multiple of 90 degrees. Or say the integral multiple of the half pi, right? Is this an integral multiple of half pi? Let's see. You have the 38 divided by 4. Quotient is equal to 9 and then plus 2, right? 36 plus 2, 38. So 38 pi over 4 can be written as the 9 pi, right? And plus the 2 pi over 4. So this is the 9 pi and plus the half pi. Now, is this angle a quadrant angle? Yes or no? Yes, right? So it's a multiple, the integral multiple of half pi. Now let's look at the number 6. If the measure of angle A equals 210 degrees, then the measure of the angle A equals 5 pi over 6 radians. True or false? What is the corresponding reading measure? What is the corresponding reading measure? $30 degrees is equal to pi over what? Pi over 6, right? 210 is the 7 times the 30, right? So it should be the 7 pi over 6, not the 5 pi over 6. Okay, so this number 6 is false. Now number 7, get your calculator. True or false? True? Why is true?
Divide the minutes by 60 and 40 by 60.
Yeah, let's do this. So let's convert this to the fraction of a degree. So we know this is equal to 25 plus 20 over 60, right? And then plus 40 over 3600, right? Now you can do this. Is this equal to the 0.34? exactly. Okay. Other guys? Okay. So that is true, right? Thank you. Now number 8. The angular velocity of Seattle is pi over 12 radians per hour. Weird? True or false? Is the author interested in the hometown of Bill Gates? What is the angular velocity of Honolulu? So tell me, in how many hours the Earth makes one revolution? How many hours? 24 hours, right? So one revolution means 2 pi. 2 pi divided by 24. You get a pi over 12. Except the South Pole or the North Pole, any other point on the Earth has this angular velocity. So it's true. Now let's look at the section 5.2. Number 1, cosine of 90 degrees equal to 1. False. What is the value? 0. Okay, so number 1, false. Number 2, cosine of 90 equals 0. True or false? False. Why is false? Actually, we know cosine of 90 degrees is equal to 0, right? But right now this guy is 90 radian measures, right? So 90 radians. So cosine of the 90 radians is not equal to 0. Okay, so this is false. Number 3, sine of the 45 degrees is equal to 1 over root of 2. True or false? Why is false? Are you sure? Let's try to rationalize this number. 1 over root of 2. We just multiply both numerator and denominator by the root of 2. Then we get the root of 2 over 2. Is this equal to sine of 45 degrees? Yes. Right? So that means this is true. You need to know the sine of 45 degrees in different forms. Right? Number 4. True or false? Why is it false? First, tell me what is the reference angle of the negative pi over 3? What is the reference angle of this angle? Just draw the sketch, right? Right? So you just remove this sign, then you get the reference angle. That is pi over 3, right? Then tell me what is the sign SIGN of the sine function in the quadrant form. Positive or negative? Negative, right? So this guy should be equal to negative sine of the pi over 3. So this is false.